So welcome. For this video, we just wanted to show you a little bit how to customize your profile. So once you're logged in, you can click on Edit Profile. And one of the things we talked about was adding your own logo, header, and watermark. And so one of the things I thought we could do for this exercise is walk you through a little bit of that. The header and watermark we can talk more about later, but I thought just to show you what it might look like to have you have your system branded so that you can be going before customers, and this is essentially your system that's white labeled for you. You can go in, there are some specifications and we can help you with this if you need assistance with your logo, but I've got one here that I set up and should be good to go as a test example. So what I'll do is I'll come in and grab this image I have here, and what it does is you'll notice that once I've clicked it, it puts it here, and then what I want to do is save my settings. You notice as a security thing, whenever you make a change to your profile, we do require you enter that, and so I'm just going to enter my password here and save, and you can just ignore that message there. That's something as we're rolling it out to more people, all of that is good to go, but we're just in a test environment right now. Okay, so what it says here, your details have successfully been updated. Please log out and log back in to see your changes. That's just what we'll do. Log out, and we'll go back up here, we'll log in, use my saved credentials here. You can have your browser save. When I say browser, I mean like you might use Internet Explorer or Edge. You might use Firefox or Chrome, or if you're on a Mac, you might use Safari. So any of those browsers are fine. We'll definitely discuss at some point if there are preferred browsers. Right now I'm using Firefox. That's definitely a safe one. But yes, if you have questions on that, don't hesitate to reach out to us. But the reason I mention that is because as you're entering your username and password, a lot of browsers will allow you to save your credentials in there. In other words, save your login. So if you want to do that, make your life easier, go for it. So I'm going to log back in here. It takes me to the home screen, and you'll notice now I have my logo here, which is obviously just a test one for this training. But the idea is that you can take your business logo and actually put it in here so that when you're in the system and designing a closet like we did in the other video, and we're going to show you some more of here, you can actually have a branded solution. And so I'm not going to go into actually designing a closet, but just to show you what that would look like is just imagine yourself sitting down with a customer, actually being able to walk through some of the settings and on the fly things we were doing earlier, and you can actually then present yourself as, hey, my business, our system, on the fly changes that you can work out the specifications with the customer, that prospective customer, and really have a solution that's all in one for you and gives you a lot of dynamic ability. And that's not to say that every vendor that uses our system is going to use it in this way. They might just use it to, they'll talk to the customers on their own, and they'll spec this out on their end. But sometimes if you do want to be client facing with the system, this is a great thing to have. So just going back briefly to the profile, again, there are the other things like the header and watermark, which we can assist you with and we might have in some later videos. But that was really all we'll cover for this video. Thanks for watching.